Satine, I got my package. Oh my god, let's get in it. Remember, kids, don't run with scissors and don't play with knives, especially butter knives. All right, let's get this all situated. Let's go. All right, one side. All right, the box is officially open. Yes, let's fucking go. So these are the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. You can't tell, but this thing is heavy as fuck. All right, let's go. Ooh, what's this? We got Jeffree Star's famous postcards. He's releasing a new website called Star Lounge that is 420 friendly. He's going to have jars and other such merchandise. So get on that shit. All right, y'all. What should I box? Oh, what did I open up first? This one or this one? Too late. I picked this one. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, it's blue. Oh, stop. Never. Yes. Oh my gosh, bitch. Yes. Work that shit. And it's got this little emblem in the back. Cute, girl. Yes. All right, I have 2 of these now, so I'm selling it. Okay, this is more of a nude shade, so I'll be selling that one too. And this is Heaven's Gate. I'm so pumped. Heaven's Gate, yes. This is called Blue Freeze. It's a lip scrub. It actually smells and tastes like a Blue Freeze slushie, so I'm selling that one too. All right, moving on to box number 2. We got yellow for springtime. Yes. What is in here? Whoa. I got a new shirt. Fuck yeah. Oh, hey, we got pens. All right, single shade eyeshadows. Something different. Let's do it. I now have 2 of these, so I'm selling that. And oh my god, no he did not. Yes, queen bitch. Let's do that shit. Let's see. We got all the purple shades. Yes. We doing that shit. Look at how beautiful. Once it comes back into focus. There we go. Awesome. Kitty approved. Oh, hey. Eyeliner. It's called Money Counter. New lip gloss was pretty cool. And I'm probably going to sell this one. It's like another nude. And I'm just not a fan. So selling that one. And I got this Diet Shane, which is like a lip balm. So that's cool. And that's it, y'all. That is it. We are out here. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And thank you for watching. Fuck yeah. Satine, is it kitty approved? Is it kitty approved? Okay, fine.